I'm Glenn Cruz. I currently work for the Philippine National AIDS Council in its secretariat. I used to work for a global fund project under the principal recipient.
So, how has the Global Fund changed your life?
Well, Global Fund actually is a very refreshing process from the way I handled and coordinated for projects. It's very new for us when we started here in the Philippines. Um, but because of the demands for the intensive nature of delivering for Global Fund, it actually almost cost me my life. But it's okay. I recovered anyway. But I think the more positive thing about working in a Global Fund grant is that I really learned a lot about the value of monitoring and evaluating, and I really understood the value of really being able to for the country to answer the hard questions when it comes to the context of developing HIV programs. Um, Global Fund actually asks very hard questions, but I think they are very important questions for us.
Good. So, if you had one message to the donors of the Global Fund, what would it be?
Fund the Global Fund. You have to, you still have to make up your commitments and give the Global Fund the resources that it needs to support the countries. But I think you should also help the Global Fund guide them into really empowering the recipient countries in doing better preparation in applying for grants, because um, for a long time already the most difficult portion of really accessing Global Fund is the country process, and we really need all the help. And if the donor countries can really provide a way for us to really be prepared for the Global Fund, I think we can really know what we need and prove to the Global Fund that we can produce the outcomes that is really being invested.